Hello, everyone. This is Suhas Nayak from Western Digital. I'm the product marketing manager for our client SSDs. So we are really excited to launch two new products from WD, the WD Blue client SSD and the WD Green client SSDs. These are both SATA-based SSDs and targeted for the PC platforms in the market. And the main difference is that our WD Blue is our high-end, top performance SSD, whereas the WD Green is our SSD offering for the entry-level PCs, right? So just to really excited, these two products are going to complement our existing HDD portfolio very well. And going forward, WD is going to be media agnostic when it comes to storage solutions. If you want to have a product that is more optimized for capacity, you would have our existing HDDs. And if you want to optimize your solutions more around performance, then you are going to have the WD Blue and Green SSDs. The main difference between WD and WD Green is that this is, as I mentioned, this is our higher performance drive, and also it comes in 250 gig, 500 gig, and 1 terabyte capacity points. And the endurance is also leading in the industry right now. It scales all the way up to 400 terabytes written on the 1 terabyte capacity point. The Green, on the other end, comes in only 120 and 240 gig capacity points, because those are the capacities that we think will be most dominantly adopted in the entry-level PC platforms. And the endurance scales from 40 terabytes written all the way up to 80 terabytes written. If you run a typical PC workload of 20 gigabytes of data written per day, then the 1 terabyte WD Blue will last for well over 50 years, maybe 70 years, right? So it's more than a typical PC refresh cycle. So you can even do a lot more than 20 gigabytes of data writes per day. As I'd mentioned, this is a great product even for PC enthusiasts and gamers out there. So even if you write 80 gigabytes of data per day, which is more than 4 times a typical moderate PC workload, all the different capacities, the 250, the 500 gig, and the 1 terabyte capacity Blue SSD will last for well beyond the 3 years of its rated warranty, as well as the typical PC refresh cycle. So both the WD Blue and the WD Green SSDs come in 2.5-inch as well as M.2 2280 form factor. Today in the channel, 2.5-inch is the most dominantly used form factor, but more and more, especially in new PC designs, we are seeing that there's a shift happening from the 2.5-inch to the smaller form factor, and that's the reason why we have decided to provide even the M.2 form factor for both the WD Blue and the WD Green SSD.